Make sure that you're sitting down or lying down comfortably. Make sure that you're in a position that your body is relaxed in, that you don't have to hold yourself up against gravity. Just allow yourself this time to free your mind of worry, of stress, and just relax completely. Take a deep breath in through your nose. And out through your mouth. Take another deep breath in. And as you breathe out, just relax your body completely. Allow your body to become heavy where you're sitting or lying down. Take another deep breath in and find any part of your body that feels tight. And as you breathe out, actively relax those body parts. We're going to start off with a progressive muscle relaxation. I'll guide you through this. You're going to tighten and hold and relax your muscles. Take a breath in and tighten the muscles in your forehead by lifting your eyebrows and as high as you can and holding that position with your eyes closed. Continue to breathe while you hold your forehead tight. And with the next breath that you let out, relax your forehead, relax your eyebrows, relax your eyes. Take another deep breath in, and as you do, tighten the muscles in your eyes by pushing your eyelids tightly together. Holding this position, and don't forget to carry on breathing. And with the next breath out, relax your eyes, relax your face. Take another breath in and tighten the muscles in your mouth and jaw by pushing your lips tightly together, holding it there while you carry on breathing. And with the next breath that you let out, relax your mouth, relax your jaw, relax your face completely. Take a deep breath in and tighten the muscles in your shoulders by lifting them to your ears as if you're making a shrug. Holding it there while you carry on breathing. Notice the tension in your shoulders and your shoulder blades. And with the next breath that you let out, relax your shoulders. Feel that blood running back. Feel that tension releasing. Take another breath in and tighten the muscles in your upper arms by bending your elbows, bringing your hands to your shoulders and squeezing tightly. Holding that squeeze while you carry on breathing. And with the next breath that you let out, relax your arms, relax your elbows. Feel that tension releasing. another breath in and tighten the muscles in your lower arms by stretching out your arms. Continue to breathe while you stretch. And with the next breath that you let out, relax your arms. Let them just rest where they're comfortable. Take a breath in and tighten the muscles in your hands by making fists. Holding it there while you carry on breathing. And with the next breath out, relax your hands, relax your fingers. Take a deep breath in and hold that breath, and while you do, just notice your chest rising, the pressure increasing. And when you're ready to let that breath go, just notice how your chest relaxes, how it lowers, how the air leaves. Take a breath in and tighten the muscles in your stomach by pulling in your stomach as far as you can. Holding it there while you carry on breathing. And with the next breath that you let out, relax your stomach muscles. Relax your body. Take a breath in and tighten the muscles in your buttocks by squeezing tightly together. You might even feel your body lifting up. Hold that position while you carry on breathing. And with the next breath that you let out, relax your buttocks, relax those muscles. Feel your body return to its natural position. Take a breath in and tighten the muscles in your upper legs by pushing your knees tightly together and squeezing your legs. Hold it there, don't forget to carry on breathing. And with the next breath you let out, relax your legs, relax your knees. Take a breath in and tighten the muscles in your lower legs by straightening your legs and pointing your feet towards the roof. Holding that position while you carry on breathing. And with the next breath that you let out, relax your ankles, relax your calves, relax your legs. Take a breath in and tighten the muscles in your feet and toes by pointing your toes to the floor. If your feet start to cramp, relax them, otherwise hold just for a moment more. And with the next breath out, relax your feet, relax your toes. Make sure that you're lying or sitting as comfortably as possible, and if you would like to change your position, then now is the time to do so. Take a deep breath in. Find any part of your body that still feels tense. And as you breathe out, relax those body parts. Take another deep breath in. And as you breathe out, just relax your body completely. Let your body get heavier with each breath. Imagine yourself on a pathway. The sun is shining on your skin and there's a gentle breeze in the air. To either side of you there are trees that stretch far and wide. In front of you you can see mountains covered by trees. Beautiful blue-green colors. You take a deep breath in and you breathe in this fresh forest air. In the distance you can hear the sound of water, and you know that there's a waterfall somewhere for you to find, to explore. You look around you and you just notice all the trees and how beautiful they are. Each one unique, each one beautiful. You look out at the beauty in front of you, the mountains stretching far. You feel at peace and you feel relaxed. You slowly start following the path that you're standing on, feeling the sun on your skin, the breeze on your skin. And with each step that you take, you just become more and more relaxed. You remember to breathe with each step. As you walk further on this path, you can hear the sound of water clearly. Up ahead you see rock formations and you decide to walk to it. And as you reach the rock formations, the sound of water is ever clear. And you know behind the rocks there's a beautiful waterfall. You stand by the rocks for a moment. You notice how the leaves have grown on them. You notice the trees on top, roots growing over. You notice the texture of the rock and the color. And as you walk around this rock, you see a beautiful waterfall. The sound of the waterfall ever clear, and sprinkles of water on your skin. You take a deep breath in and you just take in this beautiful waterfall. The water is so blue it looks see-through. You notice how the water from the waterfall breaks into the pool of water at the bottom. It makes like a white foam color. The sound majestic, beautiful, calming. And near the pool you notice that there's a place for you to sit down. You carefully walk down to this place to sit. And if you wish, you can dip your feet into the water. It's a gentle temperature, enough to make you feel awake and relaxed and rejuvenated. You sit in this place and you notice all around you the different rock formations, the different trees growing, and you just take the time to sit here for a moment to take in this beautiful place, this little holiday that you're on. You breathe in the fresh air, the sound of the water and the feel of the sun on your skin. And you take a moment to notice what you feel in this place. The peace, the relaxation, the calm. And you just sit here for a moment and you take in this beautiful place. And as you sit here, you know that it will soon be time for you to head back to where you came from. But you know that you'll be able to do so feeling ready and confident for the rest of the day. You know that you can take this feeling of calm and peace and relaxation with you when you go back. You know that you can visit this place anytime that you wish. You take a deep breath in and out. You stand up from the place that you're sitting and you slowly start walking back on the path that you came. And as you do, you slowly start becoming aware of where you are, where you're sitting or lying, the sound of my voice and the sound of the music. You can keep your eyes closed, but you might want to stretch out your arms and your legs just a little bit. And whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes and you can take the feelings of peace and calm with you for the rest of the day.